Hi, do you want to become an effective psychologist, international life coach, an international trainer, and an effective healer? If your answer is yes, we invite you to our 8 months internship and training in dynamic practical counseling, psychotherapy, life coaching, training, and healing diploma. This is the first time in the world we combine all these 5 elements in one training, which will see that your revenue goes up. Let me explain you how. If you are studying psychology, or if you have completed psychology, you must be thorough in the 30 very important counseling therapies. If you are not able to do eclectic counseling, that is using all the counseling in the therapy, today you will not be able to do effective counseling and also quick counseling. So in our 8 months training program, we will train you in 30 therapies in a practical way. Now, these 30 therapies, it is also required to be learnt by a life coach. And a life coach is having its own modules. So, even when you are studying or when you are becoming a psychologist, we will train you on the life coaching modules so that if you are a psychologist, you will be able to practice a life coaching. If you are a life coach, you may be able to practice all the techniques of counseling. Only these two things, whether it will bring you branding, fame, money, absolutely no. You should be able to do international trainings. The international trainings or the online trainings on the subjects of psychology and soft skills will take you to the next level as far as financial empowerment is concerned. So in these 8 months, we will train you how to do training, and we will give you opportunity also to conduct training every Sunday through our site talk. One of the new branch and scientifically evidence-based aspect is healing. Reiki has been put into vigorous research, and it has been found that it is having some kind of validity as far as psychological healing is concerned. So, we will be training you on the important aspects of healing, which you can use it in counseling, life coaching, and training. When you combine all these aspects, when you do the empowerment for any individual, your counseling, life coaching, training, and healing goes to the next level. We have structured this program in such a way that every aspect will be dealt practically. Every aspect will be having its own case studies. So the understanding will be more. The 8 months program, it will be online 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday, there will be a training program, and Sunday, there will be site talk in which you will be given an opportunity to talk. Now, the simple aspect is whether online will be effective. Online will be much more effective than offline. Because when you go to your offline training program, in one day, they will train you on the 10 techniques. Where is that you get time to practice all those things? In our online program, From one therapy, I'll be training you 2 or 3 techniques which you can practice the complete next day. So, really, it becomes a skill. Today, when we ask people about the various simple basic questions, people are not able to tell. For example, you ask your own self, do you know what is cognitive triad? Do you know what is unfinished business? Do you know what is PERMA? If you do not know about all these things, these all are LKG in counseling. So, the simple aspect is online will be much more dynamic and useful than offline internship. The training program will be completely concentrating on the practical aspects of delivering excellence to the client. The students can join, and also anyone who is not having psychology background can also join, because they can become an international life coach or they can become a healer. A international life coach and healer, if they know the therapies, 30 therapies, they may be able to use the techniques in their life coaching and also in healing. That can be used even in the training aspect also. Only for psychologist, if at all you want to become a psychologist, you need MSc psychology. For other aspects, life coaching, training, and healing, you don't need a psychology. Any degree is enough. Our training program is approved by Complementary Therapist Affiliated Association of United Kingdom and also Skill Development Council Canada. The organization is registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. It is just like a Cognizant or TCS. It is not just MSME registered. MSME registration anybody can do, but everybody cannot open a corporate company. Apart from that, our organization is also approved by Ministry of Rural Development under DDG-GKY. Emocare is also have been certified by a startup India, and the certificate is available here, and also the DPIT number. Emocare is a fully trademarked symbol. We have a qualified, experienced psychologist, clinical psychologist, RCI registered psychologist to help the client in the process of the training. Moreover, our training is very unique because the complete recording will be given to you on the same day, which you can access even after 15 years from now. You will be getting quality PowerPoint presentations on all the topics. You will be practicing the everyday concept with your own fellow students and trainers and life coaches and psychologists who are from the various parts of the world. You will be able to network with the great minds of the world. Apart from everything, Emocare is the only psychology company in the world to have 3000 5-star rating in Google. No other company in India is having. No other company. Apart from that, we are the only organization who are doing counseling in schools, counseling in colleges and corporate companies. We also do training in schools and colleges. We do counseling on a day-to-day basis. That is, Most of the people who train psychology doesn't do counseling practically. They will just put a PPT and they will read it. That even a LKG student will do. But we actually do counseling. We have diversified our business and we have separate website for everything. Emocare is the only organization in the world to have different organizations, different websites for different portfolios. For example, Emocare, it is a center organization. We do counseling and coaching through www.counselinglifecoaching.com, and we do the pre-marital counseling, post-marital counseling, pregnancy counseling, and sex counseling through sexcounselingcare.com. We also do the soft skill training programs through gtcco.org. Our organization is having a very structured approach and it is going to stay for years because it has been run by the approval of MCA, and I cannot close just like that. If you study any training program without any registration of the company, they may close the company today and they may go tomorrow. All your certificates can be verified from our website even after 15 years from now. Moreover, we are the only company who give business opportunities for people to brand themselves. For 8 months, you can use the name of Emocare to fetch business. For example, if you go to your school and say, I am a psychologist or a life coach or a trainer and I conduct faculty development programs, they may first ask how many trainings you have conducted in this field. If you say, I am coming from Emocare and we are conducting faculty development programs or soft skill training programs or psychological interventions or career coaching aspects, they will ask what Emocare has done in this respect. And we have conducted all these programs in thousands of schools and colleges and corporate companies. All the details are available in our website. For 8 months, you can use the name of Emocare to fetch a business. Such an opportunity nobody gives in the world. We are the only organization. So team, why are you learning from the people who doesn't even do counseling? Why are you spending your hard-earned money with the people who just have only Gmail? They don't even have a company email ID. emocare@emocare.co.in, a company mail ID. Why that you want to spend your hard-earned money with people who are not having enough experience and a large-scale business? Spend your time and money wisely. Join in our 8 months program, and just like the people who have already started organizations and running successfully, you will also start your own organization. For that, we will guide you. Come and join.